What if the moon collided with Earth? The moon has always been distant and constant. But imagine its orbit decaying, its path tightening until the pull between Earth and moon becomes a single, slow catastrophe. First come the tides. Every day higher than the last, they erase harbors, then cities, then the memory of a coast. Seafloors rise from the pressure, faults unlock, the crust stretches and groans. Volcanoes awaken along old scars. Earthquakes cross continents like fractures in glass. The moon grows enormous in the sky. Its own surface begins to fail. Tidal forces tear canyons through regolith and stone. Boulders lift, hover, and drift free. A cloud of fragments gathers and thickens, arcing around Earth as a temporary ring. The rain of impacts begins. Not one collision, but billions. Each fragment strikes with planetary energy. Oceans vaporize into steam, air flashes into plasma, shock waves circle the globe and meet themselves. Night and day dissolve in incandescent weather. The moon's core descends through fire and gravity. The mantle of Earth convects like a slow storm. Crust and basin and mountain are taken back into melt. For a time the planet is a red sphere, glowing, boiling, its outline trembling in a haze of rock vapor. Debris that escapes settles into orbit, then returns. The ring thins, the sky clears to ash. Cooling begins. A skin of dark basalt forms, repeatedly broken and renewed. Atmosphere condenses from metal-rich clouds, dense, toxic, then thinning across millennia. Water falls again, first as mineral rain, then as true storms. A new surface emerges, smooth plains of frozen lava, uplifted plateaus, impact scars sealed under younger flows. Continents are rearranged, the magnetic field resets. Tidal cycles end. Without a moon, no familiar pull remains, only the slow rotation of a heavier Earth. Life, if it persists, hides far below through the burning years and the ash-dark centuries, then climbs back along faults and springs when the light returns. The calendar of the sky is different now. Nights are deeper. The ocean's edge no longer breathes. In the far future, to distant observers, it is still Earth, but remade by its oldest companion. The moon does not rise anymore. It has become part of the ground we stand on, silent, buried, forever.